Welcome to our tutorial on the IBM iRPG programming language. Today, we'll be diving into the other opcode and how it handles conditions when no when statement matches. Let's take a look at this example. Here, we have a program that iterates through values of k from 1 to 6. Depending on the value of k, different operations are performed. If k is 1, we perform summation. If 2, subtraction. If 3, multiplication, and if 4, division. But what happens when k is not 1, 2, 3, or 4? That's where the other opcode comes into play. It acts as a catch-all for any value of k that doesn't match the specified conditions in our when statements. In our program, after checking for specific conditions using when, we use other to handle any other case. In this example, when k is 5 or 6, the other block executes. When k is 1, it calculates summation, resulting in 21. For k equals 2, subtraction gives us 18. Multiplication for k equals 3 gives us 60. When k is 4, division results in 5. And for k equals 5 and 6, the other block displays no operation to perform. The other opcode ensures that our program gracefully handles all possible values of k, providing clarity and control over program flow. Thank you for watching our tutorial on IBM Other Opcode by Programmers.io. We hope you found it informative and useful for your programming tasks. If you have any questions or would like to explore more RPGLE topics, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IBM programming insights. Happy coding!